Hello, I'm Candy Sherwin. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel to learn another line dance. This one is called Rampampam, choreographed by Mark Furnell and Chris Godin. It is an improver level, 32 counts, 4 walls, no tags, no restarts. It has some arm movement with a couple of the moves that happens with certain lyrics, but we're going to just focus on the footwork first and then I'll add that afterwards. Okay, here we go. Stepping forward on your right foot, 1, left foot out, 2, step behind and cross, and 3, stepping right, 4, behind, 5, quarter turn, 6, which leads you into a turn with the left leg and hitch, side together, side. So what happens on that step, which is count 6, you're going to be hitching your left foot up to do a 3/4 turn, boom, and then take your triple this way. But if you think about your step into the hitch and don't try and separate it, that turn will be a lot easier. Okay, so one more time, that kind of 8. Right foot goes forward on 1 side, 2 and 3, 4, 5, step, 6, turning 7, 8 and 1 on your left foot. The second count of 8, bring your right foot back on the ball of the foot, 2, swivel the heels, and 3. Return on 3, but put your weight down on your right foot. Step 4, 0.5, rolling grapevine, quarter turn, right, half turn, left, quarter turn that leads into a shuffle or a chassé, which is 8 and 1. Go over all of that. So we just did the turn, we did the shuffle here, 8 and 1. Right foot goes 2 and 3, weighted right, 4, 5, roll it, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So the first count of 8 and the second count of 8 both end with a chassé or a shuffle, 8 and 1. Dot, dot, dot. So they each end with a triple. That kind of helped me remember things a little bit. Okay? So you know what? Let's go do those 2 8s together. That'll help. From the top. 6, 7, 8, forward, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, stepping turn, 7, shuffle, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, turn, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Okay? Again, just a reminder that when you do this part and here, drop that right foot down. So you're on the ball, you swivel it, you step down on it. That will make that transition a little bit easier, okay? So the third count of 8 comes after 8 and 1. Take your left foot on a diagonal, kick it across, and then you're going to step, tap. So we went 8 and 1, 2 and 3. Step back, 4. Step out, 5. Over, 6. Quarter turn, 7. Right foot together, 8. So we're here. Going over that again. You're here on 1, left foot goes kick and tap, back, side, over, back, together. On that together, weight your right foot. It's not a tap, you should have your left foot free. Okay? One more time with counts for that part. You've gone 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last count of 8, you have your left foot and you've kind of backed up because you need this room. You're going to push into this step. You're going to go press, step. Moving backwards with step toe, and toe, and toe, and ball step, sweep, step, sweep. That has your right foot free to go right into the beginning. Okay, so that count of 8 goes 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and we start the dance there. I'll show you that at a different angle. It goes 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, start the dance again. Okay? Let's go back to the beginning and try all that together. 5, 6, 7, go. Forward, 1, 2, step, cross, side, behind, turn it around, out, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, step, 4.5, turn it 6 into your shuffle, 8 and 1, a kick, step, toe, right, left, right, press, step, 2 and tap, ball, step, sweep, step, sweep, we go, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, turn again, shuffle again, 8 and 1, a kick, step, toe, back, side, forward, back, together we press, we tap, ball, step, sweep, step, sweep. Okay, so I know you can go back and rewind that, look at that a few times if you need to. I'm going to add the arms. Now the arms come at different times and it's really clear on the music. When they're singing in the chorus, you'll hear the singer go, a rum-pum-pum, and she always says, a rum-pum-pum. When you hear that, that is always going to be on the 2 and 3. On this part, 2 and 3, and on this part, 2 and 3. Those are your accents. The arms go, I don't turn my back to you or not, which way it goes best. I gotta face you. So your arms are gonna go right arm to the left shoulder, left to right. So you're gonna go here, and then you're gonna open them to the shoulder and down. So it goes cross, open, down. Cross, open, down. Rum, pum, pum. Rum, pum, pum. And that happens on this part where it goes rum, pum, pum. Whoops, I didn't shook my weight on that, yeah? So we've just gone 8 and 1, 2 and 3. 2 and 3. That's your first one. The one that goes here with the 2 and 3 has the arms going, the left arm here, the right arm punches across. It goes 2 and 3. So it goes over and under. Over and under, over and under. And that happens with 8 and 1, 2 and 3. And then you go ba, ba, bum, 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 boom. 2 and 3 both times. So the first time is shoulders and down. The second time is punch and under. Okay? And again, just listening to the music, you'll be able to hear it rather than trying to count walls or anything like that. It makes much more sense just to listen to the music. And the music's a little difficult to follow. Some of the downbeats are hard to hear at certain walls. So hopefully the more we dance it, the easier it will get. Okay? So let's do that one more time with that wall with the rum-pum-pum beats on it. Okay? So start it out, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3. Yeah? Sort of, kind of? Hopefully? Okay. So, I think we're just going to give it a try with some music. The song is called Rampampam, and the artist is Manili. Okay? Let's do it. This has 32 count intro. Ready? On 5, on 6, 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3. Push it out, press, and tap, ball step. Start again.
I see, I love what is the frequency.
Step for me.
You tell me like nobody. You are everything for me.
This is going to have the extra stuff. And up.
You shot me, then you got me, I'm like damn, yeah, bum bum. I see the satisfaction in your eyes, bum bum. I love you and I trusted you so well, so why, oh why, oh why? You shot me so damn.
This still has it. body. Still no arms.
I know it's just a fantasy. For me, you feel me like nobody. You are everything. You shot me, then you got me, and I'm like, I see the satisfaction in your eyes. I love you and I trusted you so well. So high, oh high, oh high. You shot me so damn. You shot me, then you got me, and I'm like, I see the satisfaction in your eyes. I'm looking at you and I'm asking why. Oh,
Sorry, let's take on that one. Sorry, keep going now.
so tired, I know what you're hiding from me. Maybe tomorrow I'll see what you want me to see. D.I., baby, D.I.
Got the arms. Here we go.
I see the satisfaction in your eyes. I love you and I trusted you so well. So high, oh high, oh high. You shot me so damn. You shot me and you
Arms.
I'm like damn. I see the satisfaction in your eyes. I'm looking at you and I'm asking why. Oh why, oh why, oh why.
There we go. So the song again is Rampampam. It looks like Rampampam, but it's Rampampam by Manili. My name is Candy Sherwin. I teach out at the BL Dance Hall and Saloon, otherwise known as Borderline, and that is out in Agoura Hills in the Los Angeles area. I would love to see you in person. Remember to subscribe, like, share the video, make comments, and I'll see you on the dance floor. Bye-bye.